this thing going.
Okay. Okay, hi, I'm doing the final checkoff for auscultation. My stethoscope here, I was told not to wear it around your neck. I'm not entirely sure why. I don't know if it degrades that or if it's not sanitary, don't know. But it's not around my neck for a reason. This is my alcohol swab. I'm going to disinfect it. I'm going to wipe the bell, the diaphragm. Clean. I'm just going to run up here just in case someone did have it around their neck. You never know. Clean the earpieces off. Whoops. Well, we've got children out of their wards. Put them back in their beds. All right, so here's that. Put it in your ears with these facing forward. All right, I'm going to warm it up a little bit so I don't shock Blake, even though he's wearing a shirt. Let's pretend he's not. Didn't want to give you guys a show today. I'm going to warm that up. I'm going to make sure it works. My tapping. It's working good. All right, I'm going to auscultate the lungs. You're sitting up, so lean forward a little bit, shoulders back. All right, I'm going to hit bilaterally. I'm going to do 6 sites on the front. I'm going to start down here, the lower lobes. That's good. All right, then you move up, get over here, over the bronchi. Okay, good. When you get up here, while you're listening for bronchial sounds. There we go. There. Very good. All right, no abnormalities on the front laterally. Lift your arm up. Tickle, tickle. Oh, patient's not ticklish. Don't do that in real life. Okay, laterally, we're going to listen to lateral sounds. Get the right areas. There we go. Okay. Now on the back. Also all normal. We just go up the spine, back and forth, also bilaterally. Fine. I'll pay for that. There we go. You breathing? All right, and that's how you do that. He has normal sounds, nothing abnormal I can hear. They were clear, tracheal, normal, nothing out of the ordinary. Did great. You have great lungs. Thank you very much. Yeah, and then I would, sanitize my stethoscope again and document everything in my chart. That's how you do that. Thank you very much.